Hi everybody, my name is Dave Haas from Street Level Solutions. I'm really excited about our topic and our guest today. We're focusing on how does someone find a trusted electric motor repair shop. My guest today is Tony Rush with Reliance Electric in Hudson, Wisconsin. Reliance has been around for over 60 years and they've been a member of the Electrical Apparatus Service Association, ESA, for 35 years. Tony himself has 25 years of experience and is now the owner at Reliance Electric. Tony, welcome to the Hangout.
Morning, Dave.
Good morning. Let's get right to this. How does someone go online and find a good electric motor repair shop?
Google it. Do a Google search, and you will probably find ESA, which is the Electrical Apparatus Association, and you can look on their website for someone in your area. They group it by region, and then they will also group it by the type of work that they do. There are some shops like ours who specialize in 200 horse and below, and they'll do AC and DC. They'll do different types of repair. You can search their website for what a specific shop does, and that would be one very good way of looking online to find it. Personal referrals are also, in the past, probably the one way people knew about motor shops. It isn't something that's, you don't walk down the street and find a motor shop. You have to search them out usually.
Right. Well, you've told us a little bit about what people should look for in general. What kind of experience does someone get when they come to your shop and are asking for help with a problem they've got with a motor?
We get calls for everything from furnace blower motors in someone's house to the pumps to fill water towers for municipalities, starters, alternators, lots of farm equipment. We sort of service anything within a 50-mile radius that they can be fixed, really. It's cost effective to fix. People will call us with questions on an application and then want us to provide a motor for it, the best motor for that application. That's where contacting a motor shop is a big benefit, because anyone in a motor shop is going to know the best motor for a specific application. Just because a certain type of motor came on something when you bought it doesn't always mean that that's the best motor for it, or you're not using the piece of equipment exactly as it was designed, so maybe that's not the best motor for it, and then maybe that's why it had problems to begin with. So you can tailor fit, so to speak, your motor for the application.
So you're called a motor repair shop, or we've been referring to you as a motor repair shop, but there are other things. I mean, you sell new motors as well and will consult with somebody to find the best motor that they can get, whether it's repairing the one that they already have or possibly putting a new one into an application that they haven't had before.
Yes, you offer repair. The cost of repair or the cost of replacement is typically what it comes down to. So we sell new or repair. Either way, most motor shops, I'm pretty sure all motor shops would sell new motors along with doing repair.
Okay. Well, do you offer anything special for new customers that haven't been with you, haven't had the opportunity to work with you in the past? You offer anything to them special that would encourage them to come into Reliance for the first time?
We can do our typical turnaround time is a week or less. If someone drops something off, we'll get to it within a week. That's our typical backlog of work. If someone has never been in here before, brings something in, we'll get to it the same day or within a day, and at least diagnose it and give you a price as to repairing it or replacing it. That would be pretty good service.
I would agree, and I would guess that most people that are coming to you with a problem like this, it's for some kind of a critical piece of their operation, and the fact that you're going to diagnose it and give them a price gives them a good idea right away, and is a big benefit to them, especially if it's critical.
Definitely. If someone has an emergency where it's a matter of downtime for a machine is costing thousands per hour, we'll if we know they're on the way, we'll look at it as soon as it comes in the door. We also go out and do service work in the field.
Okay.
When necessary.
All right. Well, great. How does somebody get more information if they want to know more about their problem? Do they give you a call? What's the...
Yeah, they can call or email us. Call is probably better. I usually have more questions, a long list of questions about the motor or about the application. So calling is probably best.
More interactive and gives you a chance to make sure that you really understand what the problem is that they're trying to deal with, so they don't have to deal with it themselves. They can get you in as a consultant to help them figure that out.
Yes, yeah. Emailing can turn into a list of 10 emails back and forth just trying to figure out exactly what the problem is or what the motor is.
I've got you. And I see that you've got your telephone number down at the bottom there. If they want to get a hold of you, I'd say for sure if anybody's looking for a electronic or electric motor repair shop that can handle basically the most difficult problems or just a simple fix, you need to call Reliance. Tony, thank you very much for your advice, and I guess the sign-off would be keep the motors running.
That sounds good.
All right, good deal. Well, this is Dave Haas from Street Level Solution, along with Tony Rush from Reliance Electric Motor in Hudson, Wisconsin, and we hope to see you again.